Hello friends, Sharik here. Today I thought of showing you how to propagate plants at home during this lockdown period. So in this video, we'll be covering few plants of edibles of carrots, potatoes and some succulents like aloe vera and snake plant and many more. Before getting started, I would like to show you some of my plants which I have planted during this lockdown period using various vegetative propagative methods. And among these, one of my favorite is zebra plant, scientifically called Haworthia fasciata. And without wasting much time, let's get started. So our second plant will be the dung canes, and we'll use the same method that we have used for the snake plant. So as you can see here, this is the mother plant which gives rise to these three, and we're going to use the same method that we have used for the snake plant and we use this plant which we'll be dissecting it from this portion which joins the mother plant to the baby plant. And so here we have dissected the snake plant from its mother plant by using the method of cutting, root cutting, and this applies to the dung canes which we have used the same method by root cutting. We have separated it from the mother plant and we are going to plant it in our soil further in the video. And next we have the edibles like carrots and potatoes. For carrots, we usually just ignore this part, but it's actually the main part which gives rise to a new plant. And as you can see here, these are the buds or the eyes of the carrot which gives rise to the roots. And for the potatoes, as most of you might be knowing it that these are called the eyes or buds of the potato which gives rise to the new plant. I'll tell you about more in further video. To begin with, these are the materials required, namely garden soil, compost, manure, which we are going to mix them to plant our cuttings in these empty pots. For planting, we'll make some holes for better aeration of the plants. So we'll make 2 holes. We have a compost here which helps in retaining, and some more manure. So let's begin with the snake plant. So here we have our dung canes ready. Just so now let's plant our potatoes and carrot, which are edibles. And first let's take the tuber. As you can see here, we have the bud. So this is where the plant is going to arise. We'll slice it from here, and then we'll place it in the soil. And for the carrot, you make sure that you have the dents, because these are the dents from where the roots arise. So we'll just slice it off, and then we'll put it in our pots which we have made it ready. Make sure it's not so up. And for the potatoes, make sure it's in quite depth, and make sure the bud is towards the shoot, because it is the place where shoot is going to arise. So you're all done. Let's move towards the water plants. We have even soaked some sprouts in water so that you don't be sad that you weren't successful in making those vegetative plants. So that's why I have even tried to germinate few sprouts. So this is, as you can see, the buds coming out of it, or the shoot, which we are going to plant it now. We have the three varieties of sprouts, namely moong, peas and chickpeas, and chana. You can even try to plant, if you get wheat, then it's better to use, you can grow wheat grass at your home using tissue papers too. Not necessary to have soil at this lockdown period. It's better to grow wheat grass during this time. Just to let's move towards our water plants. So now we have our water plants here. Basically, the water plants are, we have first dissected it from here. We get two money plants, and for the lucky plant, I am going to dissect it from this part. So both of these we are going to place it in water. So this will form roots, and afterwards when you see the root formation, you can replace it in the soil, or else if you like to keep it for a show, you can continue it in water. Today is day 1, 16th August 2020. I have planted these plants, and we are going to see the result after a week. So hope for the best. Thank you, friends. Hello friends, I started vegetative propagation on 16th August 2020, and today is the 14th day. So let's check out the progress of our propagated plants. So as you can see, these are the plants which I have propagated using natural methods, and these which have used artificial methods of propagation. So let's begin with our first plant, that is Haworthia fasciata. This gives offsets around it, which you can separate it from the mother plant, and it grows individually. Then we have propagated potato from the buds or underground stem, and it is also known as tuber. Then we have propagated carrot by root, by natural methods of root. I would like to clarify one misconception of carrot, that is, many of us believe that it's going to give us a new carrot out of it, but it doesn't happen, because it will mature, give flowers, and then after pollination you'll get the seeds, which you need to plant it, and then you get a carrot. So it's a quite long process. Then I have germinated few sprouts, namely chana, peanuts and moong. Then coming to artificial methods, we have propagated snake plant in dump canes by root cutting methods. These are the offsets which which came from the mother plant, and then we have separated it and planted them in the pots, and they have sustained it very well. Then we have the mint cuttings, which have grown a lot, which has formed roots in it, and we are going to plant it in soil after a month. Then creeper cuttings and money plant. My teacher suggested me that to use rice water for money plants, and it actually helped me to get new roots quickly and new buds. As you can see, the new formation of buds. This actually helped me growing money plant quick in a short period of time. So I would like to thank my teacher, Mrs. Suhasini ma'am, for giving me such a wonderful project, and I really enjoyed it doing. Thank you.